Okay, now if you look at the right hand side, what we need to prove, p plus d square p by d theta square equals to a square b square by p cube. If you look at the right hand side and what is given over here, uh, the right hand side doesn't have theta in it. So we'll have to get rid of sine theta, cos theta, whatever. যে থিটার মানগুলো আছে এগুলোকে সরাতে হবে, তো we need a right hand side without sine theta or cos theta. তো বইয়ে যেভাবে করেছে, how they've done it here, given in the book, কি p square minus b square a square minus p square এই দুটো বের করে নিয়েছে, অ্যান্ড যখন ডিফারেন্সিয়েট করছে ডিপি ডি থিটা বের করে যখন সেকেন্ড টাইম ডিফারেন্সিয়েট করছে, they have tweaked it and they have put in the values of a square minus b square টাকে tweak করে p square minus a square আর p square minus b square a square minus p square করে the recommended way of doing it, but you need to remember it. Now how I did it, I mean my own approach, that sine theta, sine square theta ke I have taken x. So what I need to do then, pretty clear, you have to get rid of x from the right hand side. So figure out dx d theta, dp dx, then you will find out dp d theta. Once you get dp d theta, that will not have x in it, right? Then we do a second order derivative of dp d theta. Now when we're doing that, when we're differentiating dp d theta with respect, instead of differentiating it with respect to theta, we'll differentiate it with respect to p, and then we'll multiply that with dp d theta, right? তাহলে এইবার যখন when we're doing it, when we're differentiating dp d theta with respect to p, just apply u by v formula and then we get the desired right hand side. অবশ্যই এটা আমার অ্যাপ্রোচ, বইয়ের অ্যাপ্রোচটা ইজ রেকমেন্ডেড। থ্যাংক ইউ।